So one of my favorite things about Shopify is that you can really customize it to do whatever you need it to do. A lot of other e-commerce platforms, you're limited by what features they want to provide you or what information they even want to share with you. But with Shopify, you really have so many customizations at your fingertips. So today I wanted to share my updated favorite Shopify apps that we actually use in the Shopify store that I help run. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy and this channel is all about running an online business. And most specifically, I focus on Shopify on this channel. So if you want more tips over the year on how to run your Shopify store efficiently and a little bit of behind the scenes on running a business online in 2023, definitely hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next video. So what I wanted to do for this video is answer the question, if I want to do blank, what app should I use? So the first one I want to go over is if I want to contact my customers, this is the app you should use. And my app for that is Klaviyo. So Klaviyo is an email service provider and they also have an SMS arm on their company now as well, which I do not use the SMS arm, but I am very intrigued by it. But Klaviyo essentially is contacting your customers through email. Now, whenever I mention email, I feel like people get kind of bored and they just like switch off. I get it. It's not sexy to talk about email marketing. It's not sexy to work on email marketing behind the scenes. I get it. I get it. Instagram is so much prettier. TikTok is so much more exciting, but email marketing is going to be the surefire way that you can actually get in contact with your customers. Now, in the past, I have recommended a few other email service providers, but we actually switched to Klaviyo early last year. So we've been using Klaviyo for about a year now. And I can say it is my absolute favorite email service provider when it comes to Shopify. So what's great about Klaviyo is that even if you don't want to take the time to set it up, even if all you want to do is create an account and just like let it sit there until you have time, you can absolutely do that. So what happens is you set up Klaviyo, it connects your account to your Shopify store, it'll start collecting data for you from the second you set it up. So really all you have to do, the only takeaway you have to take from this video is let's just like create a Klaviyo account and let's just like connect it to my Shopify store. And then next week, I'm gonna be talking about what you should actually use it for. So definitely subscribe if you wanna check out that video. But Klaviyo is by far my favorite email service provider for Shopify stores. And that is because one, the integration is really seamless. Two, the information you can collect on your customers is incredible. You can actually see a real-time feed of what your email subscribers are doing on your website, which sounds kind of creepy if you're not in the online business space, but trust me, if you're in the online business space, it is really vital information. And number three, I love their automations that you can have set up. So like I said, I'm going to be going over that in next week's video, so definitely check that out. But Klaviyo, by far my favorite email service provider in 2023. So if you want to reward your customers, my favorite app to do that is smile.io. Now I've been using Smile Rewards for years across multiple different businesses, and they are by far the best of the best when it comes to rewarding your customers. Their integration is really, really seamless, and there are countless ways that you can reward your customers. And the great thing is that if you do use a paid plan, you can integrate Smile with a bunch of different apps. So for us, we have it integrated to Klaviyo, so you can actually send out emails with your customers' points balance in them and incentivize them to not only rack up more points, but also to spend those points. You can also integrate it into another app that I am going to talk about in 1 second, but I just love Smile. Their support is really great. They also give you suggestions on what maybe your competitors are doing that you can maybe integrate into your program for rewards. And rewards in general are a great incentive for customers because, I mean, who doesn't like to earn points and then get like a $10 gift card or like a $20 gift card? It's a great way to incentivize customers to shop a little bit more. And then once they earn those points, they will be back to you again to use that reward. So if you are watching this video and you do want to make that switch to Shopify, maybe you're on a different platform or you are just starting your online business, I have the perfect solution for you. I actually have a setting up shop course which walks you through everything you need to know about setting up a Shopify store for yourself. So I will leave it linked down below. It is really affordable. It's like less than $100 and you will be totally set up for Shopify use. I also have a little add-on too that if you are switching from Etsy will be really beneficial for you. So I'll leave that linked down below so you can check it out. Now, if you want to collect reviews and social proof for your products or services on Shopify, my favorite app to do that is the Judge.me app. You can integrate your Smile.io rewards app with your Judge.me app as well. So I know that sounds a little bit complicated, but essentially what that means is that you can incentivize customers to leave reviews for your products that they've purchased, and then they can earn points for those reviews, which is a great incentive to leave reviews. Having an app like Judge.me on your website is a really easy way to gather reviews for your products that you can then use in your marketing or on your social media, whether it's a text review or a photo or video review. If you want to gift your customers with a free gift with purchase or a buy one, get one free, my favorite app to do that is Easy Gift. So we used this in Q4 when we were doing a free gift with purchase for our new collection launch, and it was so seamless. I love the integration into your already established theme. I love how easy it is to set all of the free gifts up because a few other apps that I've used in the past have been a little bit clunky to set up. And free gifts with purchase are a great incentive for customers. Now, I will say, depending on your niche and depending what the free gift is going to be, a free shipping offer might convert a little bit better for you, but if you have the perfect product and you have the perfect audience to offer a free gift, having a free gift with purchase is a great incentive to shop during a specific time period, like during like Black Friday or any sort of like sale that you want to run. And it's a great option if you have the margins for it. And finally, if you want to offer merch or apparel or drop shipping products that you can customize to fit your brand and your company, my favorite app to do that is Printful. We have been using Printful now for about 6 months. We recently switched over from Bonfire, which we didn't have a great experience with in terms of quality. Printful, on the other hand, has been absolutely incredible. What I love most about Printful is, one, the quality is amazing for all of the prints. The product selection that they have is really vast with a bunch of different size options and also quality options as well. And third, their customer service is awesome. So if your customer has an issue when they receive their product, like if the print quality is low or if it's lost in transit or anything like that, you can just contact Printful and they will send a new product to your customer, or they will refund you, or whatever you decide is the best solution for you. Another thing that I love about Printful, which we didn't have as an option on Bonfire, was the option to set pricing based on sizes. So a lot of times with other dropshipping companies, they will actually increase the price for your customer depending on what size they pick. So like the plus sizes might be like $2 more, which I think it was on Bonfire. But with Printful, we can set the prices for each individual size, which is something that I really love because we don't want to be charging more for plus sizes. That's just not the vibe that we have in our company, and it's not the experience that we want our customers to have. So if you're looking for a dropshipping company to try out in 2023, Printful is a really great option. So that's my updated list of, if you want to do this on Shopify, this is the app you should try. If you have any favorite apps that you want to share with me or with my audience as they watch this video, make sure you leave it in a comment down below. Like I said, I will be back next week to talk a little bit more about email marketing, because even though it is not sexy, it is extremely effective. So I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you then. Bye.